What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I wanted to hop on camera to show you how to get leads on SMS Phone Leads. And SMS Phone Leads is a text messaging marketing platform where you can use to share out a phone number in order for you to get leads and possibly sales. And once you send out your number, you're going to have an automatic voicemail that's going to be played to reel in your leads so they can take them through next steps. And so that's the best functionalities of SMS marketing. And if you think about it, I always say it all the time that SMS marketing, the open rate is very, very higher than your average email marketing. So this will be a good tactic to use with your marketing. Now that's not to say that email marketing is dead, because that's an important component, but SMS marketing is very, very effective because of the people that has their cell phones. Lots of people have their cell phones when they're walking around, or they have it on their everyday basis. People have their cell phone just as much as they have their wallet or purse. So it's very important to get and target those type of people, the ones that's going to be able to open once they check a text message. So that's when SMS Phone Leads come to play, and this could be able to help you to get more and more traction to your opportunity and get it in front. And the best thing about it is you could put SMS marketing along with email marketing. So if you join those two together, you got a dynamic way to get the exposure that you need for any business that you want to be able to promote. So I'm going to show you here what SMS Phone Lead contains, and I'm going to show you ways that you can use to get leads. So as you can see, this is, my previous, information that I did put out when I was doing it. I know I haven't really been, I have been getting, leads and signings with this, and still to this day, even when I'm not really too much promoting it. So everything is doing it on autopilot. So once, I can set, everything, and I can forget everything. So I'm gonna just head over to where I use to market and brand yourself. So you're gonna hit on custom. And this is what you can use to get, everything set. Okay. Let's see, hold on. See, they had updated it. Back then they had something different. Now they got, you could choose whatever number you have. And these particular are my numbers that I have, bought with the program. Because you could buy as many numbers as you want. So I'm going to choose this one right here. So they give you a little warning, let you know what this is all about. Make sure you read all that. Okay. And this is where you can make your own voiceovers. Now, you can use your own voice, or you can use the system voice. But usually, I use my own voice just because, I want people to know who I am. And this is what people use. So if you click, you said voiceovers on Fiverr. So you can get people on Fiverr. If you know what Fiverr is, it's a platform where they have services that you could pay for people to help you out with certain services. So you can check out Fiverr.com, and if you want somebody to create, if you look up how to create voiceovers, you got people that will, actually do them for you. That way you don't have to worry about, making them up yourself. Very, very good site, okay? So this is where you put your text message at. So this is like where the callback, when somebody responds to your text message, you could send them a link, and they could go back and they could receive that link. So say for instance, you have a phone number, someone, either calls or texts. I could have whatever I want to send back to them. So if it's an opportunity that I want, I could just type it up right in this area right here. So make sure you have like 100 characters. And be safe on what y'all, texting. You don't want to text anything perverted, anything. You don't want to get your account, shut down or anything like that, okay? So you also have to choose your voicemail right here. I can see that they had changed. They did some updates because I don't even have my actual message that I have saved before. So, but this is pretty much the guidelines of how you can get leads just by setting up your voicemail. This is another way how you can get leads as well. You want to head over to buy mobile leads. And you can select the package that you want to buy mobile leads. And these are scrub leads that haven't been used. And they can be able to see your opportunity. And see, they says all leads are at 7 to 10 days old. Leads are like fruit. They do have expiration dates. So that's going to show you that they're not giving you something that somebody else already had used. So these are going to be a fresh amount of leads that's going to be programmed. So you can see you can get 10,000 fresh mobile leads for $26. These are reasonable prices if you think about it, because most opportunities that have, that give you leads and stuff like that, you're going to be paying an arm and a leg. So think about it. So 25,000 fresh mobile leads for only $52. That's less than most solo ads if you think about it. 100,000 will be $169. So you want to set, put in your payment details, and you want to hit payment. You're going to be assigned to all these leads coming through your funnel. So this is something that's incredible that you can use with these package deals, okay? Then they also have traffic rotating. Now, I haven't really yet used this, but it's $39 a month. And I believe that the program help recycle all this. They help you to they put your number, I guess, they put your funnel in a rotator, and you'll be seeing some differences within 24 to 48 hours, and they'll put you in a rotator where people could come through and see your opportunity. That's on autopilot, and that could be something that's very, very useful, to use. So, you can check out the product packages right here. On the front end, $20. Then it can bump up to $17. These are different upsells that you can use. That when people come in through this, you can get up to $232 to 33 cents worth of commissions in case of someone buys all of these upsells. So think of how powerful that can be with those commissions coming in like that. So another way you could get leads and sales, I would use like social media. I would go like to Facebook. Facebook, I would promote into Facebook groups. And these are different Facebook groups that you could post SMS phone leads, because they have additional marketing resources. If you go head over to Quick Start, you head over to mobile marketing, and you could click on email swipes. You got social media swipes, banners. You could use these are social media that you could put on your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And, you could put these just to, market. So it's different ways you can market SMS phone leads. It don't necessarily have to be just through the text messages, but you could market it different ways. Okay? So you also got classified ads. You could put these on free ad forms, or, different classified ads you can use to market. So that's another way you could be able to get it. These always you can use, and this is really good too. These are the text messages you can use. So you can text your leads. Like if you got some type of text messaging marketing system to add with SMS phone leads, you can use these text messages to grab your leads too. So there's a number of tactics that you can use in order to gain those leads of attraction. Like I said before, it's 98% of users out there in the market world uses their cell phones. That's a 98% open rate. In the first 30 to 90 seconds, someone's going to open their cell phone. They're going to look at the message that you send them. So just think about the quickly replies that you can get by using SMS marketing. Okay, so these are different tactics that you can use to market your business. They also have a two-step funnel. Now with this, they'll teach you that, they'll have your own funnel, but make sure you have a get response account or an AWeber. That's an autoresponder that you can use to hook up to this two-step funnel, and then you can, you can have this whole they have a video that you could check out to, see how to go step by step and follow the instructions on how to set this up, this two-step funnel, and you can use this to market. So you can have people come in and put their email in and their information, so you can be able to follow up later on down the line. Okay. This is where you could buy your SMS phone number. So you could buy a number of phone numbers so you could promote different opportunities at once with this, okay? And you put in your information, your card details, because you got to pay $3 per month just to have additional numbers. So you got your extra number, and you can have this system for free, but the upsells, they got monthly fees and things of that nature. I believe they have the SMS Blaster. Make sure you check that out too. You can get a certain amount of leads per day. You could blast them out to, up to 2,000 leads per day, but you got to pay a monthly fee. I think 200 includes 200 leads per day. That's $39 a month. You get the $1,000 leads per day, the 1,000 leads per day for $79 per month, and then you have the 2,000 leads per day for $139. So whatever you feel, that's up to your budget. You can use these. You can check out the video there, give you a guideline on what the SMS Blaster is about. So make sure you check that out. Then you have your SMS Vault. Now this is where giving you guides on how to professionally, gives you training on what SMS Phone Leads about, the establishment, how to get leads with using this interactive phone funnel. It gives you the whole 9 yards. So make sure you check that out. I advise you, I will advise you to check out this whole process with these videos that they show, so you can get a deeper insight on this whole system and what it has in store for you. You have also the SMSs with all your messages that come in. You can check out. You also have all your voice messages, and right here is if you don't want to record your own voice, you can record. You can have your own what they call it's a system that you could promote 3 opportunities at once, and then it's an automatic system that records a voice message in your behalf. So make sure you check that out too. So check out these quick started guides so you can see everything you need. SMS Phone Leads. It's a very, very cost efficient site. It's only a one-time fee of $10 with the upsells of $20 that you can use, and you could be able to promote this and grow your downline with this. And you can also use this as not just an opportunity, but you can use this as a product to promote all your other affiliate programs that you're a part of. So if you think that this video have done some good to you, make sure you leave your comments in the comments section, and also hit that link in the description if you want to join with me with SMS Phone Leads. I got different marketing strategies. Once you be a part of my team, I can show you some of the skill sets that I use to be able to promote not just SMS Phone Leads, but any other business that you have to offer, okay? And if you would like to connect with me on Facebook, that link will be in the description below. Make sure you give this video a like, and also hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and strategies. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get all of the new videos that I promote of online marketing, because I help people to build their business online, to give them the necessary tactics they need to grow their email list and to be successful as a marketer. All right, so that's all I have for you today. This is Double O with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.